here. You just have to take your time, develop this pattern, set up your equal first, variable second, identify your operations third. Here is another one, and again, I have notes on Google Classroom for you that maybe have a few more examples, but we'll just go to one that has multiple operations. So this is a word problem. So it tells me that Jan is 3 years older. Oh no, 3 years less than her brother. No, Jan is 3 years less than twice her brother, whose name is Trit. Okay. Jan is 3 years less than twice Trit's age. However, they give me more information. It tells me the sum of their ages is 30. And then they want me to find their ages. Okay, so multiple parts to this. What you guys are going to be doing here is setting up just one equation. And you can see really the first sentence is actually an equation because it says Jan is 3 years less than Trit's age. However, it tells me the sum of their ages is 30. I have to be able to just use one variable in this. So what I'm going to do is first identify that main equation that I'm going to write. And that's this right here. I need to find how I can represent the sum of their ages, because I know this is going to equal 30. So the sum of their ages, I know for sure that sum is going to be an operation. So I'm going to put a plus sign, and then I need to find Jan, and I need to find Trit. So this is Jan, and this is Trit. And I'm going to get these two expressions from this first sentence right here. Okay? So it says Jan is 3 years less than twice Trit's age. This is where I'm going to find my variable. Okay? In all of this information, it does not tell me how old Trit is. Trit becomes the unknown. I don't know what Trit's age is. Because I don't know what Trit's age is, he becomes the variable. Okay? So I know Trit is T. Jan is the one we have to build out of this information. Okay? I am not going to use an equal sign here. I'm going to say this expression is this information. Okay? So I'm going to identify the operation. So I have twice, which means multiply by 2, and I have less than, which means subtraction. So this is 2 times Trit's age, and this is subtraction. Now if you look at your chart on page 12 of your ISN, you see that operations have an order, especially subtraction and division, because they're not commutable. They don't have a commutable property. So we have to do 3 years less than this amount right here. So this is what we are going to start with. So twice Trit's age is going to be 2t. And then how do you represent 3 years less than this amount? We subtract 3 from twice his age. And then this becomes our equation. I do believe the program wants you to combine like terms before you enter your final equation, but you can use this equation to find their ages. Okay, so I'm going to clean it up a bit. So here we have 2t minus 3 plus t equals 30. So this possibly is the equation that we enter. We could also combine those two and find 3t minus 3 equals 30. This might be the other correct way to enter it. So when we do our steps to solve this equation, we are solving for only one of the siblings' ages, and that sibling is going to be Trit, because Trit is the t. Okay? So I will add 3 to both sides of my equation. I get 3t equals 33. I'll divide both sides by 3, and I will have t equals 11. That means that Trit is 11 years old. Now to find Jan, all I'm going to do is take her expression, which was just this part, and I am going to substitute Trit's age in. So she was 3 years less than twice his age. So to simplify this, we have 2 times 11 minus 3. Order of operations tells you to multiply first and then do your subtraction, and she is 19. So Jan is 19 years old. This would be your final answer as you find the ages. And just to do a quick check, it told me the sum of their ages was 30. I just want to do a quick mental math and make sure that my 2 ages add up. Okay? So that's basically your 2.2. Obviously, I've put in some easier problems and some harder problems. Try your best, work your way through. There's extra examples in Google Classroom for you. Thanks so much.